When wiping down or cleaning your chain, also use a soft brass or stiff nylon brush to get between the links. Having difficulty keeping your frame protector on your chainstay on your cyclocross, mountain bike, or even road bike? Try a couple of zip ties at either end. This should hold it firmly. Mud and grime all over that nice light colored bicycle shoe? Try a magic eraser. Dip your magic eraser in water. Looking brand new. To keep your cell phone protected from inclement weather or sweat of a hot sunny day, you can use a Ziploc baggie or, as I prefer, a waterproof pouch. This one from AccuPack, under $10 on Amazon. Locks in place, and just throw it right in your back pocket. Most people forget that the skewers on your wheels need to be serviced, both to decrease wear and to keep them nice and quiet. So every time I change my tires, I remove the skewer. Note the small end of the spring points towards the hub on both sides. Wipe it down. Add a little bit of lubricant. And reattach the skewer. This giant, what I call twisty, was used to wrap around a head of lettuce at the grocery store. I save them. Use them for such things as if I take apart a cassette, remove it, and want to save it for either a later use, storage, or to work on the hub, I can keep everything together in the order it was, ready for use again. To keep your water cold all day long, I use an insulated camelback. And fill it about 1/3 full. Go ahead and place it in the freezer at an angle, steep enough so it doesn't cover the opening. Now when I remove my water bottle from the freezer, we can see that ice is formed from the bottom along the edge without blocking the lid. We can now fill it with nice cool water, and the bottle should remain cold for many hours on our hot ride. If you find these tips useful, please subscribe. If you have any tips of your own or comments on the tips that we gave, please comment below. This is Tony of Tony 10 Speed. Safe cycling.